This video is to show the jegs 2.5-inch stainless steel mandrel bent exhaust they sell that fits the first gen Camaro Firebird, and it fits a bunch of other cars too, but this is on a 69 Firebird. I've also installed the same system on a 67 Firebird, so it tucks nice, as you can see. Tucks up nice under there. It comes with brackets for here to hang, but I ended up having to make hangers because the hangers they give you for this, the threaded nut that's welded on there, it's not in a spot that I could really use for how I wanted the exhaust to go in, because I wanted to mount it much like the factory would be. It does not come with these mounting brackets. They are Walker. They are available commercially. I try to use stainless steel band clamps everywhere as I can because they don't kink the exhaust. So if you need to adjust something or you need to remove the exhaust later, you just undo the band clamp and the pipes slide right apart. These are actually the jegs stainless steel mufflers. I would call them like a fake magniflow because they're a glass pack muffler. This is the true dual exhaust system, so there's no H pipe or anything like that. I'm running a 400 turbo transmission in this. Now right now this car only has a stock 350 Pontiac engine in it with manifolds. So what I did was I just took a pair of collectors, welded them to pipe and adapted them to the down tubes. Eventually I can change it to headers or do something else. So I left all of this as long as I possibly could because I have the same system installed on a 69 that has a pair of Hedman long tube headers, and you do have to cut the pipes shorter because they make it long enough to fit, I think, 67 to 81. So it's got joints everywhere. It's adjustable. Again, I use these band clamps. Now, one problem I did have, I installed this on another guy's 67 that's a friend of mine, and he had different headers. His headers, they look like long tube headers, but they weren't full long tubes like the old Hedmans I have. They also did not fit this flat flange. They had a ball flange on the end of them. I was able to adapt them by, I believe I cut the flange off here as tight as I could, and then welded the other half of the ball flange in, stuck it up inside here and welded it, and the exhaust was just long enough by doing that. If I cut them like back here or something like this, or back where this has already got weld marks, then I believe, if I remember correctly, the exhaust would not have been long enough at that point. So let me pause this, put the lift down, and I'll start it up. You can hear what it sounds like. And the car's down, so it's going to make me hit the gas pedal. It's got a pretty decent sound for a stock 350 Pontiac with manifolds on it. Like I said, these are the what I would call magniflow imitation glass pack mufflers. I believe they came with the exhaust system. I believe they're supposed to be stainless steel also. even on the ground. You can see these exhaust pipes tuck way up under there, real nice. So if you don't want to see them, you don't have to see them. And again, this was the Jegs brand stainless steel 2.5-inch mandrel bent exhaust system. I believe I got this on some type of crazy sale they were having. It was $99 and free shipping. So you just gotta keep an eye out, because you can get a nice stainless exhaust system for real cheap if you have the time to wait.